In front of me is EMPORIA Smart 4, and let me show you how to activate or deactivate Google Backup on this phone. So at first, open the list of all apps, then find and open the settings, and then go to System. Here you will notice Backup, so just click to open, and if you wish to activate Google Backup, just use the stop switcher. And now it's time to add your backup account. To do it, just tap on Account. And actually, if you have your account activated in this phone, it will be already applied. So as you can see, mine is added here. And then it's just enough to click on OK to apply this backup function. So backup includes apps and data, call history, contacts, device settings, and messages. And then if you are not logged in yet, you will have to provide your email address or phone number along with the password to activate backup. So just tap on OK. And that's it. As you can see, it is active. So that would be all. This is it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.